Yes, I'm just preparing. I think 5 minutes we'll have more people coming in. Yeah. I have notes of everything here, so we can take it from there. Sure, noted. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah.
I don't understand which looks better. I'll ask Didi. Didi? Which looks better? Is it good? Is this good?
Janu, I'm on a very important call. You can ask someone else. Why are you guys disturbing me, Mom? Why is she coming to ask for the earrings? She can ask anyone. What is this here? Give me the remote.
This one.
I've asked both of you, Janu and Nandu, what is this? I'm having a very important call inside. Why can't you understand? Where is Mom? Why is she not understanding that, I'm really working on it very hard since last so many months. It's not happening. This is not done, okay?
You just enjoy, come.
आपने इसमें क्रॉस लगाया? नहीं लगाया.
What do I do? Show me some way. Maybe, no. Buddha, looking at you, I find so much of peace and calm inside me. I mean, can you please show me some way where I can focus on work? I can just be, like, I don't want to be this puzzled with everything. Best places to work from in Bangalore with a serene look or environment of that sort. What is this PVI, Pyramid Valley International, Bangalore? Wow, they have some really cool work from Valley option. Oh god, wow. I really like the work from Valley option. I'll just call them. That would be great. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's do some quick packing. wait for this. This looks interesting. Wow, there are courses also on spiritual science.
Hi, please join us.
Thank you. So may I know more about this session, the classes? Is this the weekend class that is happening, and what is it about? If you can explain me a little bit on that.
So this is a resident meditation program. Every day evening at Pyramid Valley, all the residents who have been here, we all gather together and we group meditate and share the meditation experiences. So this is a platform where we can interact with everyone who's a spiritual seeker who has come to Pyramid Valley.
Wow, that's beautiful. Thank you. Here I submit the final project and I'm done. I will maybe. Oh, I love this book. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Yeah. Okay. What? Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, I mean, I can't express anything right now. I'm just so speechless. I wasn't expecting I'll be awarded the best performer of the month. Thank you so much. I think the major credit that goes for the kind of performance I've been able to deliver was because of this place where I'm staying right now. A true gem. It's called Pyramid Valley International. I didn't mention, I think, the work from value option in the last video call that we had. Okay, I truly appreciate you for the kind of faith you have shown, and you truly deserve this appreciation for taking this leap of faith, for opting for this stay, and even after all the odds you could make it, and today is the day when you were actually rewarded. But more than just being rewarded, I just feel I've been so much of a new person, not just professionally but personally, which is one thing that I'm gonna carry throughout my life. So kudos to you.
Isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and...
So I had an amazing weekend, and Monday blues doesn't bother you at all when you're staying in such a gorgeous place and you have amazing refreshing weekend amidst greenery, the clear blue sky, trekking experience, and meditating inside the pyramids. So truly grateful for all of these activities, then playing badminton and other games, enjoying all of that, taking a mindful walk in the Zen garden, interacting with other residents in the Kabir Bhavan, and the entire experience prepares me absolutely in the right way for my Monday routine.